let me explain how soldering works a little bit. So you're gonna take this wire, and then you're gonna put the soldering pen on the thing you want it to be on. And you're gonna put this wire on it, and then it's gonna melt, and then it's gonna make this kind of liquid, I guess. Well, will harden instantly when you take it off, which will keep the pin in place. And that's why you're gonna use it on the circuit board. Because right now we're putting in the battery holder, which is, as you know, kind of an important part of a thing that holds the thing that powers a thing. So we should turn the switch and it'll turn LED. And so let me get my goggles on and then we can start. Just like that, when you see the smoke, there will be the thing should melt and then turn solid instantly when you take it off. Just like that. And then put a single. I think we might have gotten it. It's kind of hard to tell because it's small. And then we put the soldering pen right there. We take the goggles off. You look at the instructions. So we do not have to cut it. And let's turn the soldering pen off. Okay, so the soldering points look good on it. So we're gonna put the battery in. Flip it, and then we're gonna flip the switch. And it works!